Yeah, she made you eat it. It's a video. All right, lifestyle gang, it's official. Getting this old garage put in. Get this done. Get ready to set it up. Even though it's raining, they came out. And I'm gonna have the description and everything of where you can find these buildings at the bottom, and I'm gonna put a business card up here too if they have one. Give y'all the information. All right, we'll be back. I'm excited. This is what I needed for sure. All right, we'll be back. Getting everything down. They working in the rain. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Y'all need any assistance, need any buildings, great pricing, and everything. All right, guys, heading into work. Y'all, I'm super excited. When I tell you, I thought it was a 2-door garage. Come to find out, it's a 3-door. So I got them on the side. Got one on the side. Also getting the window right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Window right there, and I'm getting the door right there, which I knew about that, but this is what surprised me. I didn't even see the third door over here, so that'll be perfect to drive those girls under there. My 4-wheelers, by the way. But yeah, I'm super excited. They are getting it knocked out, and right now I'm happy, but at the same time I'm in pain. I burnt my eyes welding at work. Maybe I don't need to put that on there. I'm gonna edit that out. I burnt my eyes, and they are really, really hurting. But like I said, I'm in pain, but I'm still excited at the same time. This is gonna be nice. This is something I've been wanting for a very, very long time. Very, very long time. And they getting it knocked out pretty quick. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a little break and come back with it. See if I can get a full. There it is. That's the side view. Alright you guys, we'll be back. First garage door up. We got it up. Got the window. So get that. Got the window up. Getting the door. Oh yeah, I'm real excited. Real excited. I am ready. All right, guys, we just giving little bits and clips of everything. So we'll be back once again. All right, my lifestyle people. The camera. We are back at it. Man, these guys do excellent work. When I tell you it looks great. Shop is pretty big. Get all that cleaned up. Oh yeah. Boom. Keys to the door. Walk in. Got a nice window. I'm probably gonna put 2 more windows. One over there, one back there. And man, this thing right here, man, it's excellent. I love it. When I tell you I love it, I'm sorry about all the loud noise. Boom. Getting ready to get real dark in here. Sorry about all the noise. I can't be happy. They're gonna finish putting the siding up right there. All that. But man, I could not be happy with you guys. Yeah, that's gonna be covered up. They're working on that now. That part. So, but man, I can't be any happier. Like I am pretty much lost for words. Absolutely love it. All right, you guys. We'll be back with the finished products, and I'm gonna give y'all a walk around here.
The next day.